back. As you may remember, my first video of 2020, I had a world. It was right here. I built this and the hot tub. There was actually an unseen video where I actually built this, but I actually decided to build a new house. And I also did the inside of this house. And I thought today we're going to like have it make, okay, so there's actually a surprise. And I'll show, okay, I forgot. I actually added a G because my name is actually Gunner in real life. Actually, everybody watching already knows that. Is that because like one of my subscribers already knows my name. I forgot. So let me just show you the house with my new house. So I actually built. So here it is. It's a new one I built. It's more bigger, and you know how, and it's just really big. So I have this porch right here. We have a table, and there's a lantern up there for lighting. So if you step in here, here's the living room. If you, let's not go there yet. This in here is the kitchen. You got the refrigerator, that's the furnace. Here's a microwave, and then here's an oven. Here's just some random old flour. If you go to here, oh wait, I forgot. Back here is actually a thing is like the way to get through to the backyard. So it's the back entrance. So if you come in here, this is the dining room. You got the table and there's a chair and there's a chair. There's chairs everywhere. That's not even a real song. So then when you go through this door, there's a hall. If you go through, okay, so we almost went through this door, which was in the living room, which actually leads to this hall. You've already seen that, but in here is actually just a place to hang up something. That's why there's that. Okay, I didn't really add stairs. I added a ladder into the kitchen that's how you go up. So you're in here. If you come to over here, there's a bedroom right here. But then there's also a guest room with a TV. In here is the bathroom, and then there's another bedroom. That was the second floor, and now there's only one more floor, which is of course the attic. Well, you just okay. Look, hey, Mr. Cow. Hey, can you see me? Hey. That's not all we're going to, except that's not all we're going to do in today's video. We're also going to rebuild all this stuff and put it over there, and we might actually build a trampoline with it, and we're also going to, yeah. And And we might also use a fence over, like, to block the whole thing, since I don't want, because we're also going to have a villager here, so he might escape, and I don't want him to escape. But first I gotta go to bed, and since this here is the closest bed, looks like this is going to have to do. Okay, well, before I rebuild this, let me just give you a tour of this house. This is my old house. There's a glowstone ceiling, so that's why I don't have any torches anywhere. This is a fish tank. What's in here? Nothing. And this is my, it's like furnace, crafting table, chest, cakes, 4 of them, a bookshelf. Then there's 2 beds. There's a jukebox and an anvil here. There's a missing orange piece. There's a flower. And then there's that. There's a chest. And then there's the porch. So let's just go rebuild this now. So let's just clear my inventory. So what are we going to need? Looks like we're going to need oak stairs, oak planks, oak fences, oak trapdoors, a dark oak door, oak logs. Okay, we're only going to rebuild the house. Next episode, we're going to rebuild the pool and the hot tub. Okay. What else will we need? We'll need orange. Wait, is there any glass panes? Whoops. Right here. There's not any over here too, so we only need some just regular glass. It looks like we'll need some glowstone. And it looks like, I think that's it. So come on, let's go rebuild this now. Rebuild the house. Okay, and I already said we're only doing the house. So we're not doing the pool or the roller coaster. So let's see, we just gotta place 3. Okay, so where should I be? Okay, let's build like right here. Okay. So remember in the first episode you never really saw me build my house? Well, today you're now going to see me build my house. Okay. Okay, so then it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, then it goes 3 back. Okay. Now we're going to have to add like so. Oh yeah, I forgot. We needed stone bricks. Because that's the flooring. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's 6. So the house is 6 blocks high. So, let's place the door right here. Okay. Hey, what's this? Huh. It turns out there's actually... I never saw that. Turns out there's actually some oak log next to it. First, ah, dang it, did it wrong. Okay, usually when I do a Minecraft video, I do it on my iPad with like a screen recording. Except this is an Xbox One. Okay, now just have to add these. Okay, let's bring this up. Oh man, I have to. The sun's going down. Looks like I have to go to sleep. Okay. Okay, there we go. This is my main. This is my main bedroom. Really. So, yeah. Okay, I just went down. How about let's add this. Okay. Okay. We're almost done with the front wall. All I have to do is just do that. And then just add glowstone. There. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and then the oak log. Now look. Now we just do that. Okay. Okay, this video is kind of going a little long. So I think it's already 20 minutes. So I think I might end the video now. Sorry I really didn't get to finish this. But it's okay. So I'll see you. So part 2 will come next month, since I now upload once a month. But yeah, I guess that's all for me. Tune in next month for another Minecraft episode in GunGun's wonderful world. Bye bye.